Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man, and today we're talking about mileage service intervals for your vehicle. You may remember back to the 30,000, 60, 90, 120K services. Well, today, manufacturers have thrown in all kinds of other intervals, services 1 and 2s, A's and B's, etc., etc. It's very hard for a person that owns a vehicle to determine what service is needed and where. That's where a qualified company like the West Automotive Group comes in. We actually have a program that tells us for all makes, models, and manufacturers when services are due on the vehicle and why they're due and how. So let's jump in here real quick and take a look at this. Some of the things recommended in these services will be spark plugs at different intervals, depending on platinum, iridium, copper, spark plug wires, cabin and air filters when dirty or at certain mileages and intervals, fuel filters on your vehicle, maybe it's 60, 30, 90K. It's hard to determine without actually looking up the information. Transmission services, one of these services that we recommend to have done earlier at the West Automotive Group, as it helps prevent early transmission failure. Along with timing belts, whereas if the timing belt was not replaced in a quality interval, you could end up with severe engine damage. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday at 9 a.m. following News 8 Morning Extra on the CW. Plus, you could listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on AM 760 KFNB.